guys, welcome back to Exfoliate, excited for learning. Today we're going to do unicorn rainbow. Okay, now let's go into the project. Yes. So this is the specific task to complete the project. Okay, so first one is, see this of how the whole rainbow has been drawn. The two half circles have already been drawn for you in the project. So two of those colors are already been drawn, so we need to do the rest. Run the project in slow speed and see how the blocks get executed in a loop. So we need to run it in slow speed so we can know how it is going and how is he drawing it. Okay, continue to draw the circles of bright random colors and make a rainbow with at least 7 colors. Okay, at least 7 colors we can make a little more than that also, it's okay. Okay, click on one once to check if it's working. Okay, that's it. And refer the given image above for reference. So that's just a reference. Now we don't need to do anything with that last one. Okay, now let's run the project. Because as he said, we need to know how is he doing it. Okay, now we came to ours. So they already said that they gave this. Let's run it in slow motion. What they did, jump to 200 over 200. Okay, so he already jumped. Actually, I didn't do remix, sorry. Let's do remix and then we can do our own, because without doing remix we can't do our own. The code blocks won't come. Okay, as you can see, they already kept the block jump to 200 over 200. That's right here. If you can see, and then this is 200, so that's the x-axis and the y-axis. So x-axis 200 and y-axis also 200. Okay. So set color to pink. So now when he's drawing it, assigning a color to the person what to do, like to move forward we are assigning a color. Now if you don't do any color it won't come actually, but it just come black. So we want a pink color, they kept a pink color, so let's keep it pink only. And now let's go to the for loop. For his for I, he assigned the loop's name as I. That's why he used over here I. From 360 to 180 count by 1. That means the starting point is 360 and ending point is 180. Okay, so count by 1. That means one left side it should, one only it should keep a space. And jump to 200 over 200, again the same thing, and point to I degrees. That is 360 degrees, and you need to and every single time it moves 1 degree will reduce. Now it's 360, then 359, 58, 57 like that. It will go until this. So 360 360 is 180 is right here, the whole line, and 360 starting is like over here to draw this line and like this. For 360 and 180 is the end line. So starting line is 360 and ending line is 180 degrees. So that's why they assign like this. Okay, and move forward by 140 pixels. See, from here to here is 140 pixels, but actually it's not showing the pixels, so I'm just telling you that this is from here, the middle point to right here is 140 pixels. So move forward, and then again you'll go to 359 degrees, and then again move forward. Like that it goes until 180 degrees right here. Okay, so the pink one is done. The yellow one, this time what they did is the same thing, 360 to 180 count by this, and the 0.2 degrees move forward by 120 pixels, because now he wants to make it shorter. So you can see both the lines. So for making it shorter, he just did 120 pixels. See, this to here is 120 pixels and 20 pixels less, and the gap between it is 20 pixels. And now I'll make a little fast so the orange will come. Something, if we do this also 140, see the orange one is covering it, so we can't see the behind pink one. I mean the orange one is covering the pink one also. Now see, if I do 100, see it's there's a big gap, and plus we don't want a big gap because little only need to be seen. That's why they did 120. See now only little gap. So now what you can do for easy way, I'm going to show you. You could just copy paste it if you want. Also you could go into blocks and do the same thing. But now I'll do the blocks because it will be more easy for you to understand. So for loop I did, and even the set color we need. So I'm taking the set color, and the for loop I designed I and 360 to 180. Because it should be 180 degrees at the end point and 360 degrees at the start point. Okay. Because 360 degrees is straight. 360 degrees will go a full turn. That means it's again straight, isn't it? If you turn this, like if you turn around one time, you'll go on the same place. So like that 360 degrees is staying on the same place. So that's why, and then count by 1 again. But the only difference in all of these will be we'll reduce 20 pixels and everything. I'll tell you, we'll reduce only 20. Actually, I'll just remove this and I'll make it a little faster for you also. I'm doing Ctrl C, Ctrl V, that means copy paste. And I'm just taking a random color. I want it light color. I'll keep this. Okay, and now I'm copying the same thing. The only difference is, I'll tell you, this is just an easy way, but if you want you can again take the blocks, but this easy way. Now see that I reduced 20 pixels every time. See, 140 pixels reduced 20 pixels. That's why this much is being seen. 20 pixels is being seen of that color. And again I reduced 20 pixels, so 20 pixels of orange is being seen. Like that you just need to reduce 20 pixels until you get the end 20 pixels. Okay, so I'm just going to copy paste it. It's pretty simple if you understand the logic to do. But understanding the logic may only confuse you or me sometimes. See 80. And now the same color I kept, that's why it's not happening. Yellow. See that? Another yellow came, and see another color came. And in the middle you can see only 20 pixels of gap because I reduced only 20 pixels. If I reduce like 30 pixels, that is 70. See, more gap came more than those two gap. These both have more gap. That's why we want to maintain the same gap. That's why I did 80. But they said, and even it won't fit. They said at least 7 should be there, and it won't fit. Okay, let's do the same thing. It's kind of a loop. You are doing the same thing. Okay. Because the same, we don't need to change the for loop also. Because it doesn't matter a lot if you keep the same variable. Now this is 80. It should be 60. See now the yellow and this have the same gap. Everything has the same gap. See, pink and orange have the same thickness. So if you want to change the thickness, it will be little odd. If you change one thickness, if you want, you can change all the thickness. That time it will look little more like even, more than feeling it odd one. So that's why I'm doing like this. But it's your wish, because I don't. Sometimes if you like that, then you can do that. Need to change the color. If you forget to change the color, then we're out of colors. Let's do blue this time. It's light blue. Light blue is better. I'm doing all light colors. Okay, now see, you can wait. I already used the light blue, I guess. Yeah, let's do green. But it's overlapping the purple. You can see the purple, dark purple. That's why again 40. See, now you can see the purple. Okay, now let's go to the next one. This is how many do we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one. Let's do it. And if you want, you can even do more than 7. They say at least 7. That means you can do more than that. So I'm doing 7. Actually, I'll do 8 if you want. For you. Okay, now green. We need to change the color, isn't it? So let's keep red this time. Okay, now see, it's overlapping the green again, because I didn't reduce the pixels. See that? It looks good. Okay, let's make another one. Like at least 8 they said in the, see, at least continue to draw circles of white random colors and make a draw with at least 7 colors. We could make more than that if we want, but if you want, you could do 7. It's your wish, and it's not that hard also to do. You just need to increase everything. I'm increasing everything by 20 pixels, so it's like more colors we could do. At least means at the minimum, so that doesn't mean that you can stop to do. So see, one is bigger, and once you make this also bigger, that one is having the same thickness. See, now this is thick and that is having the same thickness, because this is overlapping it and you can't see that. If you overlap, you can't see anything. Okay, now let's do our 8th one. But I'm not forcing you to do your 8th one, because there are not even a lot of colors. But if you want, you could do. But I don't want to keep black. Let's keep gray. Yeah, this is the last one what I'm going to do. If you want, you can do more than that, because now you know the logic is, if you reduce 20 pixels by everything, if you reduce 20 pixels, then it's going to be seen. Like, see, now you know the logic that you just need why did you keep the 360 degrees? Because 360 degrees is going to turn it back like this. Now if you turn a whole round again to the same place, it's the same thing. So that's why. But if you do 0 now, if you see over here, you do 0. See, like this, it's happening a full circle. That's why 360 degrees makes it only one line. Like, see, 360. And see, 36 degrees is gone, and only the west has been there. Now if I do 0, see, now everything came. So that's how it works. Okay, wait, okay. So now this is done. We did 8 this time, and this is, we can just rename it and share it, and that's it. We are done by the project. So this is a very easy project if you understand the concept of this project. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell icon for our notifications. Okay, bye, and even share this video.